All right, so this is the hip external rotation Pales rails, but from a countertop or a couch or whatever we have access to. This is a PT table, for instance. So to get into this position, we're going to externally rotate our hip down, just like this, and we're going to hold this position for about 2 minutes. Once we get into 2 minutes, we're going to start our Pales contraction of pushing our ankle and our knee into the table or whatever our surface is. And we're going to build this contraction up for about 30 seconds. So we'll start off at about 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50. And over the course of 30 seconds, we're going to build this up to 100%. Once we get to 100%, we're going to push as hard as we can into the surface for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once that 10 to 15 seconds is up, we're going to start our rails contraction of trying to pick this leg up off the table like this, but we're going to be hunched over, so we're not going to be able to pick it up. And we're going to feel it all in our adductors right here. So again, to rehash, we're going to get into this position. We're going to externally rotate our hip into a 90-90 position. We're going to hold this stretch for about 2 minutes, keeping our spine neutral. We're going to start our Pales contraction of pushing into the surface, building that intensity up incrementally over the course of 30 seconds. Once we get to 30 seconds, we're going to push as hard as we can into this surface for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then following that, we're going to try to lift the leg up for about 10 to 15 seconds as hard as we can for our rails contraction. After that, we're going to sit deeper into the stretch, hold that for about 20 seconds, and then we're going to repeat for the prescribed amount of sets that are in your program.